Hello, thank you for your support, and you are welcome to subscribe to our channel. This channel has full authorization of reading this entire book. Today, I will be reading the book titled The Non-Techie's Guide to ChatGPT. How to Use AI for Everyday Tasks. Written by Andy Peterson. Chapter 1, Welcome, fellow humans and robots. Hello there, and welcome to the weird and wonderful world of ChatGPT. Whether you're a human looking to kill some time, or a robot hoping to make some new friends, hey, we don't judge. This book is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of AI conversations. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would I want to talk to a robot? Don't I have enough trouble talking to real people? And that's a fair question. But hear us out. ChatGPT isn't just any old robot. It's an advanced language model developed by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, which means it's basically the smartest machine on the planet, or so it claims. And the best part? ChatGPT is here to help you with whatever you need, from answering your burning questions to helping you find a new Netflix series to binge watch. So whether you're in the mood for some stimulating intellectual conversation, or just looking for someone to shoot the breeze with, ChatGPT has got you covered. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how to use ChatGPT, let's talk a bit about the robot revolution that's sweeping the globe. You see, as much as we'd like to think that robots are just a passing fad, the truth is that they're becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives. From voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa, to self-driving cars and delivery drones, robots are everywhere. So, whether we like it or not, we're going to have to learn how to talk to them. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. It's the perfect entry point for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of AI conversations, without getting overwhelmed by all the technical jargon. Of course, we know that some of you might be a bit skeptical about this whole talking to a robot thing. And that's okay. We get it. But trust us when we say that ChatGPT is much more than a soulless machine. It's a friendly, intelligent, and surprisingly witty companion, who just happens to be made of wires and circuits. So, whether you're a human, a robot, or something in between, we invite you to come along on this journey with us. Who knows? You might just discover a new friend in ChatGPT. Or, it might just convince you that the robot apocalypse is closer than we thought. But either way, it's going to be a wild ride. Thank you for listening. Chapter 1 of the book, The Non-Techie's Guide to ChatGPT. How to Use AI for Everyday Tasks. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next chapter.